Hello, if you want to scan QR codes on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, you can use the QR code scanner by going to the quick settings. So you can swipe from the top towards the middle twice. Over here we have these quick settings or quick access, and one of these options you might have over here that is called scan QR code. So you can open it in order to open the camera, and then all you need to do is simply point at the QR code, after which it should be scanned. You should see the link, and you can of course open the link, copy it, or share it. You can also tap over here on the arrow in order to open in the default browser. In addition to that, you can also open the camera, and you should also have the option to scan the QR code in the camera. However, and as you can see, it works pretty well. However, if for some reason it doesn't work, then you might need to go to the camera settings, and then you want to make sure that scan QR codes option is enabled. And of course, keep in mind that you should try to scan these QR codes by using the photo mode. Now, going back to the quick settings, because I forgot to mention one thing. If you don't have the scan QR code over here, you might need to press this pen icon, and then you want to edit the full one, and you should be able to find the scan QR code in the available buttons. Keep in mind that you might also want to just swipe to the next page in the quick settings. So that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!